Welcome back to another session on your path to natural English fluency. Today we are going to talk about the absolute engine of language learning, massive English input. Hello language lovers, welcome back to English with KD7. I am here to make your English learning journey simple, practical and highly effective. So let's start practicing together right now. Friends, to speak English fluently and effortlessly, your brain requires hundreds of hours of listening and reading. However, most learners make a critical mistake when they try to absorb all this input at once. They sit down and try to watch a 3 hour movie or read a dense book, and within 30 minutes, their brain feels exhausted. To make rapid progress without burning out, you must turn language consumption into a simple daily habit that fits seamlessly into your life. In this video, I will show you a step by step how to build this habit and scale it up effortlessly, understanding what English input actually means. First, let us define what language input actually means. Input refers to every piece of English content that enters your mind through your ears and eyes. Um, this includes listening to conversational podcasts, watching movies, streaming video tutorials, and listening to audiobooks. Yes, it also includes reading simple storybooks, news articles, and blog posts. When you consume English content consistently, your brain begins to recognize natural speech patterns, sentence structures, and everyday vocabulary without forced memorization. This is the exact natural process every human uses to absorb their mother tongue as a child. Input fills your mental reservoir so that when you sit down to speak, words flow out naturally without hesitation. My personal journey with language inputs, when I began my own English journey, my situation was far from ideal. I live in a rural area. As you know, I felt deeply underconfident and vocabulary was extremely limited. My sentence formation was broken and I hesitated every time I tried to speak in front of others. I realized that if I wanted to change my circumstances, I had to take a full responsibility for my learning. I started consumption every piece of English content I could find. I listened to podcasts during my free time, read simple newspaper articles every morning, and played audiobooks while doing daily chores. There were days when I consumed hours of English content because I knew it was necessary for my growth. Um, that massive intake of language transformed my understanding strengthen my confidence and completely rebuild my sentence structure over time and time. The 5 minute habit strategy for beginners. If you are a complete beginner, and do not try to listen to hours of English content on a day one. Your mind will resist every task and you will quickly lose motivation. Instead, use the 5 minute of micro habit strategy. Set a very small achievable goals or yourself today. Commit to reading an English article or listening to a simple podcast for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes requires almost zero willpower, so your brain will not create mental resistance. When you complete that tiny 5 minute session, your mind receives a quick boost for satisfaction and accomplishment. You prove to yourself that you can complete your daily goal, and that small win uh, build immediate confidence. And once 5 minutes feels easy and comfortable, after a few days, increase your target to 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, and eventually 30 minutes. You can increase by scalping and up. Gradually you turn a small action into an atomic daily habit stacking. Find time in a busy schedule. Many students and working professionals tell me that they simply do not have spare time in their busy and daily schedule to sit down and study English. The solution to this problem is a technique called habit stacking, which means pairing your English input with the everyday routine tasks. You do not need dedicated study hours to consume English content. And you can listen to an English podcast while you make your morning tea, walk to the local market, cook dinner, or travel on your daily commute. For example, whenever I prepare tea for myself in the morning, I will always play an informative English audio clip on my phone. By doing this, I complete two tasks simultaneously without wasting a single extra minute of my day. Look at your daily routine and find those quiet moments where your hands are busy but your mind is free, and fill those moments with rich English listening. Balancing input with the active output while consuming massive input is essential for building your understanding. You must remember that input and output go hand in hand. Input fills your mind with vocabulary and sentence patterns, but output, which is active speaking, trends your mouth and tongue muscles to produce those sounds smoothly. You cannot become a fluent speaker by only listening, just as you cannot learn to drive a car by only watching someone else steer. You must actively open your mouth and speak out loud every single day. Use the thought you gather from your podcast and articles and express them in your own simple words. Speaking comes only by speaking. That's true. Final mindset and encouragement. Do not rush your progress or feel dis- discouragement or a grammatical slip along the way. Language learning is a continuous journey of growth, and every fluent speaker started as a hesitant beginner. Be proud of every small 5 minute step you take today, because those small steps accumulation massive fluency over time. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. If you found these practical tips helpful, please like the video, share it with your fellow co-learners, and subscribe to the channel for more continuous guidance. And drop a comment below telling me what English content you plan to listen to for 5 minutes today. Keep practicing every day. Stay disciplined, and I will see you all in the very next video. Stay dedicated and bye bye. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep practicing and keep learning.